Hey everyone, I'm Danny, and welcome back to Auto Intel. Imagine a world where a fully electric Tesla, packed with satellite connectivity and self-driving tech, costs less than a used Chevy Bolt. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, buckle up, because Tesla's about to make that dream real with the 2026 Starlink Model 2 launching at an unbelievable price of under $10,579. In this video, we're diving deep into how Tesla pulled off this game changer, its sleek design, a battery that rewrites the rules, and a robo-taxi plan that could transform how we get around. Plus, we'll uncover Tesla's big moves for 2025 and 2026 that could shake up everything. Curious? Let's get started. If you're as excited as I am, hit that subscribe button. We're pushing for 1,000 subscribers, and every click gets us closer. Don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a video. So picture this. Tesla's engineers are tasked with building a car that's pure Tesla cutting edge, premium, but affordable enough for almost anyone. How do you even start? For the Model 2, they took a bold approach, blending minimalism with purpose to create something that's not just a car, but a masterpiece of engineering. This thing is compact, about 3.9 meters long, nearly half a meter shorter than the Model 3. Think about it zipping through packed New York streets, sliding into tiny London parking spots, or wading through Sydney's busy roads becomes a breeze. It's 20% smaller than the Model Y, perfect for crowded cities in Europe and Asia where space is gold. Would you love a car that makes city driving this easy? Drop a yes in the comments. Now, let's talk looks. The Model 2 pulls design vibes from SpaceX and the Cybertruck, with sharp T-shaped LED lights that aren't just cool, they're built to help older drivers see better at night, tackling a safety issue most car makers overlook. The body uses high-strength steel coated with Tesla's plasma shield, a scratch-resistant layer cooked up in their energy lab. It laughs off daily dings and cuts maintenance costs, especially for folks on tight budgets. Tesla's data shows the Model 2 aerodynamics are 19% better than the Model 3, and they've slashed manufacturing time by 27% and parts by 18%. That's how they keep costs low without skimping on quality. Inside, it's all about comfort without clutter. The cabin rocks a 13-inch touchscreen down from 15 inches in the Model 3 to save cash while still feeling futuristic. It's got an elder mode that bumps up text size and simplifies the interface to just 4 icons: drive, call, map, and home. Tesla built this based on feedback from thousands of forum users and testers. The smart posture seats adjust automatically to your height and spine, thanks to Stanford Robotics Lab research, so no more fiddling with controls. The glass doors block 97% of UV rays, and the Clean Air 360 system uses UVC lights and steam to zap 99% of germs and dust, making it awesome for SAD, families, or anyone with asthma. Cost-cutting is where Tesla shines. The single-screen setup saves $500 to $800, wireless charging ditches cable clutter, and sustainable fabrics are 30% cheaper than leather. Tesla's website shows 65% of Model 2 interest comes from people earning under $30,000, a year millions of folks ignored by the fancy EV market. Tesla learned from trimming 11 features off the Model Y and 3, making the Model 2 lean but still loaded with what matters. Every choice screams affordability without losing that Tesla edge. Do you think this compact design and smart interior make EVs practical for your daily life? Comment Model 2 if you're sold. Let's switch gears to the battery, because this is where Tesla drops a bombshell. They've been working on something so wild, it makes today's lithium-ion batteries look ancient. Meet the YA first-generation aluminum-ion battery, codenamed Gen A1, tested in secret for the Model 2. Ready for some jaw-dropping stats? It charges from 10 to 80% in 9 minutes, 4 times faster than the iPhone 16 Pro Max's battery. It lasts 10,000 cycles, meaning you could drive 1.5 million miles before it slows down. And the range? 350 to 450 miles on one charge. These numbers come straight from Tesla's hidden battery labs. How's it so cheap? Traditional lithium-ion batteries cost $137 per kilowatt-hour. Tesla's current 4,680 cells drop that to $98, but the aluminum-ion tech hits $60 per kilowatt-hour, half the price of their already industry-leading Batteries. The trick? No cobalt or lithium, cutting reliance on tricky supply chains and saving 15% on logistics. Tesla's Gigafactories can churn these out using recycled aluminum from cans and old gear, tying into their Giga Recycle 2025 plan. This slashes battery costs from $10,000 in the Model 3 to $6,000 in the Model 2, explaining that crazy $10,579 price tag. Safety's next level too. The non-flammable electrolyte means no fires or explosions, unlike lithium-ion batteries. It works from 45 degrees C to 60 degrees C, so whether you're in icy Alaska or scorching Arizona, it's got you covered. If damaged, it releases zero toxic gases and is 99.8% recyclable. Tesla's partnering with Australian company Alloy Limited for sustainable aluminum, locking in supply for mass production. And get this, Battery Day 2025 in September will drop another 4,680 variant for the Model 2, cutting costs 35% more. If you've ever worried about EV batteries catching fire or wearing out, does a non-toxic, non-flammable one that lasts 1.5 million miles change your mind? Comment battery if you think Tesla nailed it. Oh, and if you're loving this deep dive, smash that subscribe button. We're racing to 1,000 subscribers and you can help us get there. Now, let's zoom out to see how the Model 2 could change the world. This isn't just a car, it's a piece of a global transportation revolution. The Level 4 autonomy system runs on Tesla's Dojo 2.0 chip, trained with 54 million miles of Starlink data and 360 degrees cameras. It's fully self-driving in neighborhoods, with Level 3 to 4 autonomy already greenlit in Texas, Nevada, and California, but you can still grab the wheel when you want. Starlink's satellite coverage spans 100 countries, so even in remote spots like Wyoming or Queensland, this car stays connected where phones don't. Here's the wild part. The Model 2 doubles as a robo-taxi, just like Tesla's upcoming Cybercab. Owners could earn $5,000 a year letting their car shuttle passengers while they're not using it. Imagine your $10,579 Tesla paying itself off while you sleep. Tesla's aiming for 2 million robo-taxis by 2027, and with Model 2 priced under $30,000 globally, $24,400 in India, it's built for mass adoption. Analysts say a Starlink-powered Model 2 robotaxi fleet could cut traffic by 20% in cities like Shanghai. Could your car earning extra cash change how you think about owning one? Let me know in the comments. Looking ahead, Tesla's 2025-2026 plan is locked and loaded. Starting Q4 2025, Model 2 orders open in the US, UK, and Australia. By Q1 2026, deliveries kick off with a 250-mile range version. Q2 2026 brings the Robo-Taxi model to 7 cities: New York, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, Austin, Sydney, London, and Tokyo. To make it happen, Gigafactories, Mexico, and Shanghai are gearing up to pump out 1 million Model 2s a year by 2027. Giga Mexico's got a mini subdivision just for this car, and Nevada's Panasonic partnership is tripling Gen A1 battery output. Tesla's localizing materials to dodge tariffs, keeping costs down even if prices hit $30,000. Elon's eyeing 20 million EVs a year by 2030, with Model 2 making up 58% of Tesla's output by 2027. They're building a Tesla network Model 2 as the ride, Starlink as the brain, and neural net as the driver. This ties into X and Optimus, showing Tesla's not just about cars, but a connected, smart future. Why does this matter? The Model 2 isn't just a cheap EV, it's Tesla's shot at making car ownership history, putting premium tech in everyone's hands, and reshaping cities with robo-taxis. So, what do you think? Is the Model 2 compact size, insane battery, or robo-taxi potential the biggest game changer? Drop your thoughts below. I read every comment. If this look at Tesla's future blew your mind, subscribe and hit the bell. We're on a mission to hit 1,000 subscribers, and you're part of the Auto Intel crew now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.